Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to compare credit card reward programs on Nerdwallet. Not all credit card rewards are created equal. Some offer cashbacks, others offer points or miles, and each program comes with its own rules. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to compare credit card reward programs using Nerdwallet so that you can choose the one that best fits your lifestyle. Let's get in. Now you want to start by going to nerdwallet.com and clicking on the credit cards tab that's at the top of the page. Under that menu, you're going to select reward credit cards. Here, Nerdwallet displays a list of cards that focus on earning rewards, whether that's points, miles, or cashback. Just take a moment to identify your preferred reward type. You want to ask yourself, do you travel frequently? Do you prefer cashback? Or do you want to transfer points to airlines or hotel programs? The decision you're going to make is based on what exactly it is that you need. Now, once you've decided, use the filter on the left to sort cards based on the type of rewards that they offer. For example, you can select cashback, or points, or it could be miles. Now it's time to compare the details. So for each card, you want to look at the reward rate, which is exactly how much you earn per dollar spent in different categories. There's also bonus categories. So this does the card give extra rewards for groceries, gas, travels, or dining? You also have a sign-up bonus. So is there a one-time bonus for spending a certain amount in the first few months? As well as redemption options, which is, of course, can you use your points for flights, statement credits, gift cards, or for transfers. Clicking on any card is going to bring you to a detailed breakdown page. So just scroll down to find side-by-side comparisons with similar cards. Now, Nerdwallet often highlights exactly how much the average person might earn with each card annually based, of course, on spending habits. So also check the points valuation guide. Not all rewards have the same value. Some travel points might be worth 1.5 cents each, or of course when redeemed for flights, while others may be worth only 0.5 cents. And don't forget to factor in annual fees. A card with a $95 fee might still be worth it if it earns you hundreds in rewards each year. By using Nerdwallet's tools and filters, comparing reward programs becomes much easier. Just focus on what you spend most on, how you like to redeem your rewards, and which perks matter most to you. With the right card, every purchase can take you one step closer to your goal. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.